Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I love this self-stirring coffee mug, especially for my mushroom coffee. This mug delivers the perfectly mixed drink at the push of a button. So there's no spoon, there's no mess, it's super easy. It comes with this splash resistant lid, so you can travel with it, walk around the house, multitask, and the little bean, I call it a little bean, on top of the lid, pops right in there, magnetized for the stirring. So the cup is battery operated. There's a silicone bottom. You just flip it right off, put your two AAA batteries in there, and then seal it with your anti-slip bottom. And once our brew is done, I've got creamer and some sugar in here. We just push the button and listen to it stir itself. Very strong stir. No spoons needed. And with mushroom coffee, it settles a lot, so you need to stir it in between drinks. So it's got this stainless steel interior that's going to keep your drink nice and warm. And it has the double layer design, so it keeps your hands from getting hot. Holds 13 ounces, so it's just the right amount of coffee, cocoa, protein shake, or your mushroom coffee. This self-stirring mug is super convenient. It's lightweight. It's easy to use. I love it.